In the Microsoft Outlook, you can easily export your email, calendar, tasks, contacts, or other data. This comes in handy when you would like to back up your data or move your data to another computer. So if you want to learn how you can back up your Outlook data before transferring, make sure to watch this video. So to start the process, click the File tab, click Open and Export, and choose Import and Export. On the window, click on Export to a file, and then click Next. Then select the Outlook data file, click Next, choose what you would like to back up, and click Next when you're ready. After that, provide the location and file name to back up to. You may also want to export this file safely on a flash drive or a network drive if you will be importing the data on a new computer. Once you're done providing a location in the file name, click the option Finish. So once you're done backing up your Outlook data file, you can import it as well. To do that, click the File tab, click Open and Export, and then choose Import Export option. Then, select Import from another program or file, click Next, choose Outlook data file, select Next, and browse to the location of the .pst file you would like to import. Choose how to handle duplicates in the Options section, then select Next. On the following window, select the folder to import the data to, then select Finish. Once you're done doing all of that, your data should import to the Microsoft Outlook successfully. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.